Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and do click the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, and also don't forget to click the bell icon. Welcome back guys, and I know that I am late this time, but I was having trouble in making videos, so just leave it. Without wasting any time, let's start making our thick Oreo milkshake. And believe me, it tastes heavenly. To make this, we need some Oreo biscuits, 1 cup milk, some chocolate syrup, 2 scoops ice cream, and some whipping cream for garnishing. Let's get started. Add 3 Oreo biscuits in a grinder and grind them well. Now add 1 cup of milk, some chocolate syrup, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and 1 tablespoon of whipped cream, and mix them well. Now it's time for decorating the glass with some chocolate syrup. Decorate the glass well. Now pour our Oreo milkshake and apply as much whipped cream as you want on the top. Now add our Oreo biscuit and some chocolate syrup for garnishing. And we are done. Our Oreo milkshake is ready. Let me try it. It tastes delicious. You should try it at home and serve it with love. In the end, I wanna say that like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos.